In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten JSON in Snowflake. Snowflake is an immensely powerful cloud-based data warehousing service, and one of its incredible features is the ability to work efficiently with semi-structured data types like JSON. If you've ever dealt with JSON data, you know that its hierarchical structure, while incredibly flexible, can sometimes make it challenging to query and analyze directly. Luckily, Snowflake provides a way to convert those complicated, nested JSON structures into a clean, tabular format. The key to this transformation lies in using the flatten table function. Imagine you have a JSON array nestled within a column, and your goal is to transform each element of this array into its own individual row, making it easier to handle and query. The flatten function will be your best friend here. Along with the lateral keyword, flatten allows us to take those deeply nested structures and lay them out in a flat way, essentially providing us a nice, neat table to work with. Let's dive into an example to see how all this comes together. Picture a table called Your Table, and assume there's a column named JSON column that stores our JSON data. Within this column is the JSON array named Events that we want to expand. Our mission is to take each element from this events array and convert them into separate rows. Here's how you accomplish that. You would write a query like this: select flattened, value, string as event id from your table, lateral flatten input each your table.json/column events, as flattened. Here's what's happening. The query selects elements from your table and applies flatten using the lateral keyword. This pivotal part of the process, lateral flatten, is crucial because it allows the flatten function to access each array element independently and expand each one accordingly. The syntax of JSON column events specifies the path within the JSON where our array is located. By pointing Snowflake to this path, the flatten function can accurately identify where to commence expanding. As this happens, each constituent element within the events array is gracefully extracted and laid out into separate rows. An advantage here is that the intrinsic JSON structure stays intact while you benefit from a straightforward, tabular view of the data, perfect for querying and analysis. Remember, by casting the result into a string using flattened.value, string as event ID, you ensure that the JSON data is converted into a string format that's more user-friendly and compatible with other SQL operations you might need to perform later. And there you have it. With this approach, you'll find working with JSON much simpler, allowing you to focus more on what the data represents rather than how to access it. I hope you found this tutorial on flattening JSON in Snowflake helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.